Okay, and now in the past, people have to make them with their manual labor, But nowadays, we have machines to produce mooncakes for us. Although we can use machines to make mooncakes, but if we could use our hand to make it, I think people feel more enjoyable to experience this process of making the mooncake. Okay, so I hope you will enjoy. Okay, let's see. Okay, 开始。
大家下午好，很高兴和大家相聚在这儿。很快呢，就是我们中国的传统节日中秋节了。那我们中秋节呢，一般会吃这个月饼，刚刚老师也介绍过了，是吧
？Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Very nice to see you here, and soon it will be the Mid-Autumn Festival of China. Okay, and generally speaking, eating the mooncake is one of the traditions of Mid-Autumn Festival.
对，月饼呢，在我们中国呢，月饼分很多种，有速食月饼、口式月饼。那我们今天是一个互动的活动，所以我们给大家准备的是冰皮月饼。
Okay, actually, in China there are different styles of mooncakes. We have the ones of Suzhou style and one from Guangdong style. But actually, when we make the mooncakes of those styles, we need to use the bakery system. We need to use the oven. Okay. So, but actually, this is just an experience you make mooncakes. Therefore, we are making different kinds of mooncake.
那我们看一下我们今天给大家准备的材料。我们会看到这个2个面团，这个面团呢就是冰皮月饼的皮。那这个中间的这一袋呢是2个人共同吃的。
You can see the material we prepared for you, and actually this is inside it was the dough, and actually it is used to make the outside of the mooncake. Okay, and we have 2 inside. Okay, so each person is going to have 1 of them. Okay, each person is going to have 1 of them. Wait a minute. You have to use the plastic gloves for hygiene. Okay.
有2个颜色的，这个是我们给大家准备的酱，黑色的这个是豆沙酱，这个颜色的呢是皮酱。
Okay, so before we make the mooncake, we have to wear the gloves. Okay, now we take the gloves off. You don't have it? This one. This is the gloves. Okay, yeah, please. And put on gloves first, and then look at this part. This is the fillings of the mooncake. Okay, it forms the inside of the mooncake, and actually it's made of 2 different types of material. One is the red bean. Another one is the taro. Okay.
那我们首先呢，先把这个冰皮拿出来，我们先把它揉搓一下。这个冰皮呢，是我们老师之前给大家已经做熟的，直接是可以食用的。
And actually, first take out this dough, okay, and try to do as the teacher does. Okay, I'm going to translate because this is a very difficult to translate. Okay, just follow the key what the teacher does. Okay. So actually, this is already cooked, and we can eat it directly. But actually now we cannot eat it because we have to make mooncakes, of course. Okay, yeah. We will eat it after that, and so we're going to make 4 mooncakes. Everybody's going to make 4 mooncakes. Therefore, we have to divide it into 4 parts. Okay? Yeah. Firstly, do what the teacher does, and then divide it into 4 parts. Okay?
然后这个酱，我们先将这边分一撮酱，我们把这个酱呢，实际上展开后，我们把它分成2个。第二是2个豆沙。
Okay, we take off the down and try to take off this one. Yeah, cut them into 4 pieces. So first you have to make it soft. Okay, make it soft by rolling with your hand. First you have to roll it in your hand, and after okay, first roll it in your hand, okay, and divide it into 4 parts. Yeah, when you get the small one, you can also still try to roll it. Okay, try to roll it. Some boys are a little stubborn in this. Okay, unroll it, okay. So can change the shape of it. Don't worry, okay. You can fold and roll it again. Roll it again to make it soft. Okay. The more you did, and the soft the dough will be. Okay? You have to do that. When you finish rolling it and divide it into parts, each one in these 4 pieces, okay? Yeah, making it into a ball. A ball, right? Okay. Okay, make it. Divide it into 4 parts and roll it into a small, make small ball, right?
You do it before? The ball?
Yeah. Change your Are you visual?
Take a new one. Manage. 不是，我就说他们这样的话，就是说这个嘛，单纯到15才没人爱。Okay, are you ready? Are you ready with the full now? Ready? Can we go to the next step? We're moving on. Okay, we're moving on. If you couldn't finish 4, you will do it later. You can do it later, but at least you have 1. You have one at least, okay? A small one. You have already got 4, right? Okay, very good. Thank you. Okay, we'll move to the next one.
Do like that? Okay. Make it like that.
Yeah, already inside.
Go inside. Oh,
Put inside all
follow you.
the bean.
This one go to.
Yeah. So this is the function is make like the serve. Make some stamp.
Do not use it, okay? We will tell you when to use it. Just follow the teacher, is that okay?
Okay.
So they are preparing some stuff for you for the following steps. Don't worry, because later we will use them, okay? Now we will move to Tutor. Let's move on. We have the fillings. Take out the fillings here, okay? Just take out one piece and also just roll it, divide it into 2, okay? Yeah. Divide it into 2 because we do not need this size, okay? This one must be smaller, okay? We need smaller ones, okay? Each one can be divided into 2. Okay?
Like this.
So, in fact, 2 people share this. There are 4 boards here, but we are going to make 8 mooncakes, okay? With this. So each one divided into 2. And you're still going to make them into small ones, okay? Small balls, okay? Small balls. Divided into 2.